Hello to our introduction to the KNEnginge. In this section, we are going to show what it means to keep old information when we make changes to elements of a hierarchy. Let's go to our previous example, where we have added the element climate change to better world. And we see here that there is an error. We forgot the E from climate change. So we want to change this. Again, we have to take the shortcut over change menu's hierarchy structure. There we go to the application sensitive 18 where we are. We go to the library. We go to catalog, better world. And now here we see climate change. Take this to the center. And now we make a change. We change it to the E. Say OK. Now if we go back to the library, we see it has been corrected. We have the E here. Now let's have a look what this means to the database. We just make a refresh of the database. So again, we are here in this container entity, which keeps all the information on this hierarchical object. And now let's sort by the original ID. No, I don't know if it doesn't sort. So here we see the element. Oh, let's sort by valid from date. Yes, now we have it in the right sequence. So this is this element 12486 that we have created some time ago. We have created it at 1103, and now at 1121 we made a change. So we changed here from climate without E to climate with the E. So what we have here now, the status of this record is outdated. So what it means, the record still is here, but it has another status. And we have created a new record, which has now the next ID. So it's 86 at the end here. And with the auto increment, we have the 87. But still, we keep the original ID of 12486. And the valid to date has changed now. So at 1121, we've created the new record, and this is exactly, let's say, the expiry date of the old record. So this is 1121. So this record is only valid until 1121, and from 1121 until far future, the new record is valid. This means we have a simple way to only see valid information. That is, if in other queries, we always look for status active. And if we want to roll back in time, we can simply select records which are valid to a time that we want to see. So we always can reconstruct at pushing the bottom the state of the database to a former point in time. What you might see is that the status is is completely redundant with this valid to date. But the reason why we've chosen this is it's easier to manage the status, and if something is wrong on the computer with the date, so we are on the safe side if we always search for the active status and not for the valid to date.